We're back in time with this AM/FM Bluetooth radio. Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here with this. This is the 50th anniversary Sangean WR-55 wooden cabinet radio with Bluetooth. I know 50 years ago people would have said, Bluetooth? What does the color of your tooth have to do with the radio? But it's AM and FM and Bluetooth, and it's actually a beautiful piece of hardware. The first thing I want to show you, I'm going to zoom in, but I want to show you how the tuning dial works. So this is how you tune AM or FM, but as you turn it, it actually moves more slowly than as you spin the dial. So check this out. Tell me that's not pretty cool right by itself, but there's so much more that's really interesting about this. It has AM and FM and Bluetooth and AUX input, and it is actually made with cherry wood. So the cabinet part is really quite beautiful, and it's not just a plastic or a veneer, it's actual wood. And has a two-way speaker in it. There's a mid-range and a woofer all tucked into this little unit. And it's Bluetooth 5.0, so it's really quite the modern technology. And that dial scale has an adjustable backlight. And let me show you a close-up of the front so you can see the different dials. It has an input selector knob. It has tone, and we'll come back to that. That's a really interesting tone knob. And then there's volume, along with the actual tuner itself. On the back, there's quite a few different controls and inputs, ranging from the ability to adjust the backlight to the ability to plug in an AM antenna, though it does have one built in, and that's AUX in, and headphones 3.5 millimeter out, and there's a USB-C out if you want to charge a device. Again, 50 years ago, people would have said, do a what? But, and then there's DC in. And notice the FM antenna that you can have discreetly hidden behind the unit if you're not using it. All that's well and good, but let's actually play some music. So first, I'm going to go ahead and just use Bluetooth off of my iPhone, and let's see how this works. And it's very nice sound reproduction. Let me actually turn it towards me so it actually picks up a little better. And then the tone knob, let me turn the volume down. So the tone knob's super interesting because if you turn it clockwise, then if you imagine the sort of waveform of bass all the way to treble, then turning it clockwise increases the sides, so you get more bass and more treble. Turning it counterclockwise boosts the mid-range. So let's see if we can hear that. So I'm going to start by boosting the bass and treble. Turn the volume back up again. So that's bass and treble at maximum, and then I'm going to rotate it counterclockwise. And it definitely has a very different sound quality, and I'll put it right in the middle. And it's very pleasant music reproduction. While I have it facing me, I'm going to switch to FM and tune in a channel. And now let's open up that antenna. And this is a local classical station, and I certainly don't have rights to this music, so we'll turn it back down. But suffice to say, that's FM. Let's go on to AM.
Well, you know what, Will? You could say that.
And there's AM right off the bat, and it's clean and clear.
Coming out for the Trump administration.
And that is with the built-in AM antenna. So really very easy to work with. I'm going to close this and hide it again, and you can see here, hopefully, the illumination of the dial. And the dial illuminates when you're using AM or FM. And there's some interesting characteristics with the USB-C plug on the back. it won't work if you're using AM radio. And that's because it will create so much interference that your AM won't work. So they have decided to just cut that feature out if you're in AM mode. If you're using FM, and particularly if you're using Bluetooth, totally no problem at all. So I thought that was a really interesting little subtlety. And I do want to show you, it has a pretty big transformer on the end of its plug, and the wires about that long, so maybe 6 feet. So I would say that I love the design. I mean, I can't speak enough how much I like this sort of retro, nostalgic design. And they've just done such a beautiful job of engineering. And they've been around 50 years. They know what they're doing. This company has really been doing great radios and shortwave and all sorts of devices like that for a long time. They have a lot of engineering knowledge. So this is what you get. It comes with a very helpful instruction guide. This folds out to be, I don't know, the size of a highway billboard. It's pretty big, but in so many languages, it's super helpful. And that's really everything I got. I am a big fan of this. I think it's a beautiful looking and a great sounding device. This is perfect for an executive desk or in your kitchen. If you have a nostalgic vibe in your house, this could be great on your bedside table. And you can listen to AM or FM if that's your groove, or you can use it with AUX in, or you can of course use it as a Bluetooth speaker with your favorite smartphone. Lots to like here. I am going to ask you to subscribe to my channel. Click or tap on that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon for notifications. Give me a thumbs up if you found this of value, and of course I hope you did. Excellent. This is the Sangean WR-55 wooden cabinet radio with Bluetooth, and it is $159.91 at Amazon.com. It is fairly spendy, but you're getting a really high-end top device for that. And dimensions-wise, real quick, 10.3 inches by 6 inches by 6.5 inches tall. So it is 4.5 pounds, certainly light enough that you can tote it around if you want, but why would you? Put this in a perfect place right in the center where people are going to see it and enjoy all of the compliments people give you, A, when they see it, and especially B, when they hear it. That's all I got. I hope to catch you in my next video.